Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that say stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up.
What is going on, YouTube land? I am Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this review, check out my Instagram at Chris Catalunya with the underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you know when I drop a fire video. Let's get this channel to that 20K subs. I greatly appreciate it. Also, this video would not be possible without the assist from Kicking It ATX. Kicking It is a sneaker boutique located in the Domain Shopping Center in North Austin, Texas. Whether you're looking for apparel and shoes from Nike, Adidas, the Hundreds, or just want to talk up your shoe game in the full service bar in the back, Kicking It has what you need. Check them out at kickingitatx.com. Alright, so Nike is coming in heavy with the Dunks in 2021. It's kind of overwhelming, but we're not complaining here. Released on June 22nd, we were blessed with some animal representation. And no, animals weren't used in the making of these, or at least the featured animals weren't. I copped these cheetahs from Kicking It ATX and the zebras from Woodstack, New York, New Jersey. If the zebras come in on time, perhaps I'll include them in this video. Now, both pairs retailed at $110 USD. Add your taxes and your VAT based on where you reside. Looking at StockX, GOAT, SneakerCon, the cheetahs are doing numbers between $250 and $300. The zebras aren't faring too well with numbers between $170 and $230. Now, they were not an easy pickup by any means, but most neighborhood Nike accounts received them. I don't think mall retailers were subject to this release. The box is of your standard orange format where you have the white swoosh on the top and then your label on the front. Now, removing the shoes, I'm impressed upon the first look. They look hella dope, and I'm glad they're not of the cheetah variant of like the cheetah girls or the type of cheetah print like a group of Karens on a Las Vegas vacation would sport. As of recent, we've been getting dunks that haven't been of the best quality, but I think the Cheetah Dunks feel almost on par with the SB Dunks, and keyword being almost. The cheetah print is a hairy suede with a light brown base and a slightly darker spots to play into that theming. It wraps around from the heel to the eye stay to the mudguard of the shoe. The quarter panels, the collar of the shoe, the vamp, they're outfitted with this smooth tan leather that for some reason feels wax. Now, laying across smack dab in the middle is this bold brown Nike swoosh wrapping around from the lateral of the shoe to the medial of the shoe. Now, complementing the swoosh, you have the heel tab too that is done in that brown with the white Nike embroidery. Unfortunately, we are only supplied with a single set of laces, and they're not of the standard format. They seem to be of a subpar, super lightweight nylon material as opposed to the cotton laces or the heavier nylon builds we're accustomed to. They're done in this bone color or that tan color, and it looks pretty good. However, I'm probably gonna buy a set of dark brown wax laces or dark brown leather loafer laces. It would just bring more character to the shoe for sure. Behind the laces, we have the tan padded nylon tongue with the edges in brown, the white woven label with the brown Nike embroidered logo donned on top, giving a subtle break to the theming of the shoe. Brown mesh lining is employed, meaning dirt will have a harder time showing. It is padded with foam to secure and comfort the ankle, at the lateral, the medial, and at the heel of the shoe. Removing the insole, tan fabric lays across a thin piece of foam. The heel sports Nike in brown. Now, unlike the SB Dunk counterpart, Nike Dunks actually lack that zoom air unit and may feel less comfortable. I love that they kept the midsole white on this shoe. To be honest, I wasn't a fan of that aged or that yellowing look on new midsoles, but now thinking of it, I think the aged look would do these shoes justice. Both the midsole and the outsole are of a blown rubber component for flexibility and durability. The brown outsole takes on your typical traction marks of a dunk where you have the circles at the top, the grid at the bottom, and the Nike branding smack dab in the middle. Now, adding my 2 cents, I think the outsoles would have looked a lot greater or a lot better in that gum sole, but regardless, these are banging as is. If you've never worn a dunk before, I suggest you go to a mall retailer, get your size from a sitting Jordan. They have plenty of them sitting these days. Now Dunks and Jordans, they are built on the same last. They fit pretty true to size. Normally I'm rocking a size 8.5 or a 9. In terms of comfortability, they are Dunks. They are flat, they don't have much tech involved. If you need the support, the extra cushioning, pronation blocks, pull out the stock insole, throw your bad boys in. Overall, I really can't complain about this Cheetah Dunk. Again, one of two in the Animal Dunk pack. I don't know if that's the official name, but whatever. I very much like that the print on the shoe, it isn't too loud, and that the tans and the browns are very wearable. Alright guys, I think this is a good stopping point for this video. What are your thoughts on the Cheetah Dunks? Is this a good pickup, a bad pickup? Were you able to cop? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Go ahead and check out my Instagram, Chris_Catalunya with the underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And guys, let's get this channel to the 20K subs. That would be hella dope. Alright guys, thanks for sticking it out with me. I'm Chris Catalunya, and we will check you next time. Cheers. See you now.